There's one.
So we have this 4x8 that we cut some time ago with intention to use it on the woodshed, but we didn't need it, and it's been drying for some time, but as you can tell, it is pretty twisted. But I think we can get about a 5-foot piece out of it that's not too twisted, not too bad, and we're going to use it for a cantilever brace on the little shelter over the wood stove. But before we do that, we've got to cut it in half, and it's also too tall and too thick. So we're going to cut it down to size here on the SAWMILL and put this up as a brace. And now we're going to shape it up on the SAWMILL, make it down to about 3 inches thick by 6 inches wide. I think that's where we want to be, 3 inches. About 7 3/4. We need it to be 6. We're going to put it back here on the SAWMILL, cut it down to 6, and probably do it 2 passes, 1 on each side. Alright, so that gives us our 3x6 for the brace on the cantilever on our little wood shelter for the stove. And it looks good after it gets installed like that. It's all cleaned up, it looks good. So the next step is to place this one and the other one we've already cut and put them in place.
I think you got most of the twist out, didn't you?
Yes, it looks a whole lot better.
Looks good and straight?
Yep.
Much better.
So we're going to be putting up a brace on each side from the post out to this cantilever piece. And I made a template, and we think we have it pretty cut right, I think. And it's going to look something like that. Something like that. And we've been cutting some 4x6 pieces to serve as our braces. This is just a template, and this gives us the idea of what angle to cut both ends, and I think that will work just fine. I think that'll look good. All right, I think that will work. Let's go check the other side. It may work better than the other one. All right, so we have the one cut, and I've used it as a template to mark the second one. We'll cut the second one, take them both out, and install them. brace number 2. Next, I'm going to countersink the head on these so our screw sets below the surface of our brace, and then we'll do the other end. I'm not sure that countersink is big enough, so I put in a bigger one and we'll do it again. Yep, that'll work. Start like that and then turn it on about that angle. I'm right on and around this knot. I wish I weren't, but that's just how it's cut. Now to countersink these.
I love the smell of that wood burning.
It's crazy.
Should work. You get my end lined up first.
You got that in?
Yep, I got it. Good. I think that's pretty good.
Mine looks pretty good.
You're lined up.
Yep, that's good. Here we go.
Okay.
We're good?
Yeah. I like it. We got to cut these ends off and square those up. That's looking good. And then we can take that bracing down too. Okay.
It's not going to be quite a half.
Okay. Just split the difference.
Yeah.
Something to give us a guide to go by so we know where to hold it, set it.
We find it easier to go ahead and start these screws on the ground so that you're not holding it up with one hand, trying to start a screw with another hand, and doing all that while you're in a little bit of a strain. These should go up pretty easy now. Got it?
Yep. Good down here.
Good up here.
Okay. I'm on the line on this side. I see it.
Okay, good.
I think that looks pretty good. I know y'all probably wonder what in the world these lawn chairs are doing. They've been sitting here forever through this whole project of us building the woodshed and even this pavilion we're building over the wood stove. But they are serving a purpose. And this is the pipe that has the wire in it. It has our wire that was with our old stove, and when the fire came, it burned everything down, and then we had to locate it in the ground. So the wire is here. We have dogs that like to chew, and so we've tried to get it kind of up out of the way, and eventually that is going to go from the ground here where it is, and then we're going to run the wiring up these posts so we can put some lights up here and maybe even some outlets. But that is the story behind these ugly broken lawn chairs and that burn up cross tie too. We're just trying to keep people from backing over the line. So that's the story.
So that is one more step done on the wood stove pavilion. If you like watching our videos, click the subscribe button, hit the like button, send us some comments, and share with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.